The US ambassador to South Korea, Harry Harris, is in the news because of his facial hair. You heard that right. The envoy shaved off his moustache at a traditional Korean barbershop over the weekend. But over the years, Harris drew criticism from South Koreans for many reasons, and one of them happened to be his moustache. Well, what exactly makes his moustache so controversial? Find out in our next report.
Meet Ambassador Harry Harris, an American envoy to South Korea. He's the first Asian American to hold a 4-star rank in the US Navy. He commanded the US Pacific Fleet. But the man is in news for a rather unusual reason: his mustache. A number of people in South Korea had voiced their issue with Harris's mustache even before it fell victim to the razor's blade.
Let's go inside.
Harry Harris has been at the center of a number of controversies before his mustache topped the list. But why are South Koreans paying so much attention to the envoy's facial hair? The reason are his background in the US Navy and the Japanese heritage. Harry Harris was born to a Japanese woman and an American Navy officer. Some South Koreans say that the ambassador's mustache reminds them of Japanese colonial rulers who had occupied the Korean peninsula from 1910 to 1945. Some associate his appearance with the latest image of the United States of being quote-unquote disrespectful and coercive towards Korea. Mr. Harris's imperial-style mustache was sported by powerful and feared Japanese military leaders like Hideki Tojo, Sadao Araki and Shunroko Hata in World War II. If we talk about the present day, US stations more than 28,000 troops in South Korea. This is a part of a security alliance to deter aggression from North Korea. But it also leads to tensions between the two countries, as Donald Trump demands more money for deploying the American troops on Korean soil. So what does Harry Harris think about his mustache being at the center of attention? He says his grooming was a matter of personal choice and that his critics were quote-unquote cherry-picking history. Over the weekend, Harry Harris uploaded a video on social media of him getting his controversial mustache shaved off at a traditional Korean barbershop. He said he did so to keep cool in the Seoul summer. He also said that for him, it was either keep the stash or lose the mask. Amid the COVID-19 outbreak, he chose to be a masked man.
Wow, who's like that? Wow. I haven't seen this face in years.
Bureau Report, WION World is One.